up, YouTube? What's up? What's up? Back in with another video. Well, this is the next day of the last video you just saw with the Mazda. Okay, the reason I'm driving this today, I was gonna drive the Supra, but I was like, now I'm gonna get my hands dirty. I'm gonna help my cousin out with his car. He has an Acura TL. It's a 6-speed, I think it's a 3.2 liter, that V6 J35 engine, I think it is. Yeah, I already got started on the other day. I think it was like Monday. Monday or Tuesday? No, it was Tuesday. It was Tuesday I started working on it. Today is Thursday, and I changed the slave cylinder and the clutch master cylinder because the car wasn't how you saying it, like when it wouldn't. I guess it wouldn't go into gear or reverse either, so it wouldn't go into neither of the gears. So I would change the clutch master cylinder and slave cylinder to see if it's that, and we're gonna bleed it, and then hopefully that's the problem, and hopefully it's not the how you say it. Hopefully it's not the clutch itself. So I'm hoping that it's just those two things, and then we can get it running today. So if we get it running today, I'll pick up the camera because I don't know how he feels about being on camera. So we'll see what happens. But I'm on my way over there now. I got to drive I got a 5-minute drive, so I'm gonna take you guys with me in the highway. We're in the Mazda. Got my coffee. Also, hope you guys are having a great day of start to the day or night, whatever time you're watching this. I hope you guys are achieving many goals and many dreams. You just keep doing what you guys got to do to be successful in life, because you never know when the day may come and it may be too late to even do what you need to do, because you know you got too many responsibilities or whatever the cause may be, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, just stay positive, stay motivated, stay humble, keep positive energy around you, like positive people, no matter if it's family or not. Just try to keep positive people around you all the time. Stay away from negativity, no matter if it's family or friends or your best friend. No matter, bro. That don't matter. You're born in this world from your mom, and you came out, you didn't have no friends or nothing. You had to make friends by going to, you know, school or whatever the thing maybe. Yeah. Let's try to get in this highway so I can get some POV footage for you guys. Man, look at this. Look at the traffic, bro. Oh my sheesh. Sheesh. Yo, this is a standstill, man. Oh man, that's crazy. Look at that. That's insane, bro. That's insane. Yeah. I might just end up picking up the camera because I don't want to keep you guys just staring at me the whole time. So yeah, I'll pick up the camera once we get some road to play around. Shaking my head. Well, we're moving about 6 miles an hour, and there's an accident. So not only did they close one whole lane on this highway is called Pulaski. There's literally, I think, an accident out there because a truck, like a tow truck, just flew that way on the lane that you're not supposed to be driving on because the cones aren't in it. So I don't understand how you crash, bro. It's one lane. How you end up backing into somebody? I don't get it. How? People, man, they can't drive, bro. I guarantee this dude was on his phone, or girl, whatever, whoever it was just on his phone, bro. But I literally sent my cousin a video. I'm gonna show you the video I sent this to my cousin, bro. That shit funny. Look, watch. Yo, you lucky I like you, bro. You lucky I like you, bro. That, bro. I don't get it, bro. I do not get it. I don't get it. If I end up muting some parts of that clip or cutting part of that clip, is because I will get how you say it, like flagged for cursing a lot. I cursed a lot in that video just to be funny. But yeah, I'm stuck in traffic, you guys. But we gotta stay positive, man. No matter what little situations like this, man, you stay positive, stay motivated, because there's a reason behind it. You know what I'm saying? Always think about it that way. Whatever you're delayed and you gotta be somewhere on a certain time, think about it. You're being delayed for a reason, because something could have happened to you that you do not know about. If you would have got there sooner, think about it. Think about it. If you were a little bit like, it's like kind of like movies. Oh, if it just took 1 minute. If I was there 1 minute sooner, I could have gotten in an accident, etc., etc. You know what I'm saying? So I take this as a sign. Thank God. And I told you guys, look right here. They crashed, bro. I told you, bro. So I guess we're going to the lane that we're not supposed to go in, and then we're gonna go back to the lane that we're supposed to be in. Like, people, man, people can't drive, bro. I'm telling you guys, bro. People can't drive, bro. I think these people literally get their license from a cereal box, bro. I literally think that. These people get license from a cereal box, bro. Guarantee that shit. Look at it. What? How? Look, I told you. Look, I just guessed it. Look, rear-ended, bro. How do you get rear-ended? How the hell you get rear-ended, bro? Rear-ended. This guy looking at me like, why I'm holding the camera, the cop. And I told you, look. Now we're going back the other lane. Oh man. Rear-ended, bro. In a freaking one way, man. One way, one lane highway. Like, how you rear-end somebody? And the only thing I could think of, the dude was on his phone. He probably texting this girl or something. Or he got a booty call. You know, once you get a booty call, it's a wrap. Like, damn, baby, come to my house, baby. And he's like, you got a little naked titty pic or something. That's it was a wrap. They're like, oh, damn. And boom. Oh, shorty, man, got me. Fuck. Oh, shit. You know what I'm saying? That's how it goes, bro. That's legit how it goes. That's how I went. I guarantee that's how I went. Guarantee that shit. But anyways, let's continue on with this journey, bro. This is like a whole journey just to get 5 minutes away, bro. It's crazy. It look like a whole sign fell over here too. Or what is that? No, they got a whole arm sticking out there. Oh, dang. Trying to do a pull for you guys, bro. See if I get it for you guys. See how I get it. One-handed too. Remember that. I'm doing all this in one-handed. This car is dope, man. It's a fun car, man. Like I said in the last video, man. This car is fun. Awesome car, bro. Little engine, 1.3, moves, man. I can't imagine this with a turbo. I think I see a Porsche Carrera, like an old school one, like a 1970 something, man. Is it 1979, 1981, something like that? I'm not good with Porsche years, but it looks like it. Getting close to it. You guys let me know in the comments what you think that is. Like a 1971, 1979? Or is it newer or is it older than those years I just said? Yeah. Oh, he moving! Yo, he cutting traffic? He's probably an old man, bro. He cutting up. Oh, he from New York, man. No wonder, bro. He definitely could. He watching No Hezzy videos, bro. He definitely watching No Hezzy videos. He trying to run it. You trying to run for some money, bro? He probably got the same amount of horsepower, bro. What's up? Oh, he about to cut up again, bro. I don't know. I get that feeling. Oh, I told you. Yup. Yeah, man. Yeah, get that. Get that, bro. Get that. Oh, I know you look like one of those old men that be wearing those hats, you know, the little weird hats. Those little old man hats, man. I don't even know what it's called, man. I know Daddy had like no baseball cap. I'm talking about those old school hats. They look like the mafia boss hats. I guarantee that dude's wearing that. Matter of fact, I'm about to cut this way just to see if he is wearing that. Oh hell no! It's a young dude, bro. Oh man. There's a young dude with a baseball cap. I would never have thought that, bro. That ass would have thought he was wearing a mafia hat. Look at this guy, no signal lights. Look, the truck. You got a whole 5,000 plus pound truck just turning with no signals. That's crazy. Look, you about to do it again? Is he gonna do it again? I don't think so. I'm scared to do a pull because this dude might even do some dumb shit. Look. What's wrong with this guy? Uh-oh, student driver, bro. Gotta slow down, man. Student drivers can't drive, bro. They're probably gonna stomp the brakes on me and make me hit them. Then people are gonna think I get a titty pic because I rear-ended him. Oh, man. But anyways, I'm almost there to my cousin's house. Pick up the camera when I get there for like a review. There. We're about to get off the highway. Bye, student driver. Stay safe. Don't rear-end. Don't get titty pics. And I got a poppy over here. Little Miguelito blocking so I can get in the entrance. Cousin's already waiting for me. I'm about to park the car in there real quick. Get him moving. I don't even know if I'm gonna fit in that tight ass spot. Yeah, man. man, let's go park this car in there real quick. I need my 2 hands for this. 2 days later, bro. All right, we got the clutch master cylinder, the slave cylinder in it. About to give it a boost. He's about to start for the first time, man. 2 days working on this car, bro. Let's see if we get this shit running, man. Change the slave, clutch master. You got power?
Yeah.
All right.
Start it.
Yeah. Hold up, hold up, hold up. I don't know why this shit keeps doing this. Go ahead. Go ahead. Not getting power? It's not cranking? Hold up. Round 2. See if it starts now. We have back connection. Hopefully now. Turn off the wipers. We got the signal lights on. Check the Got it? Come on, baby, start! She want to start, bro. She want to start. Give it a little bit of gas, though. Good. All right, go ahead. Try to start it. The last time this shit was started probably like 2 years ago, so that's why it's taking so long to start too. Battery's dead. I got faith in you, bro. I think I'm gonna take my battery out from here, put it here real quick, and then turn on. What was that? It's on, baby! Hold up. I'll figure out what the fuck is that noise.
I made that sound when I was trying to turn the wheel.
Oh, when you turn the wheel?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's power steering.
Oh my god, this thing got no power steering.
That's why it's making that noise. Look at that ghetto brick right there for the battery, bro. That had no noise. What I'm talking about, bro. She's running, man. She's running, man. She's running, man. Yo, we got this shit after 2 days, bro.
Fucking thought.
Does it go in the gear? Yeah, try it. Have to try it. Hold on. Let's see if it goes in reverse and shit. Hold on. You said it didn't go in reverse and shit, right?
This facing forward or backwards? Alright, yeah. Yeah, buddy. Huh? Bobby, chill! Oh!
It's in the wrap, baby. It's in the wrap. That's what was in the front, dog.
Alright, so guys, holla at me if you want to buy this TL. We're gonna replace the terminal and we're gonna replace the control arms next, you feel me? So you wanna buy this hunk of junk after we're gonna make it beautiful after we detail it. You know, holla at me. Clean title, low mileage, you know, one owner.
I want to see if it stays on though. See if I can solve the batteries. Let's see. I'll take this one off first. Hold that.
That means the alternator's good, you feel me?
Yeah, let me staying on. That's what I'm talking about.
Well, this penny feel a little warm.
Hey, my alternator good too, but it's still on.
Yeah, no batteries in the car. Oh my god, yeah, that shit stink. We about to die in here.
Oh shit, we gotta put that plastic first, right?
Oh yeah. Which way does this even go? It's supposed to hook onto something? There's a clip in the back.
Oh no, it goes like this, because this hooks onto
Oh yeah,
this.
yeah. Alright guys.
Got it running, bro. After bleeding this bitch for how long?
For 2 days. Nigga, with the amount of pumps we put into that clutch, you could have went to Alaska.
Clutch cooking this shit.
Stop it. They said no, go get a real mechanic.
Yeah.
Fuck that mechanic.
Yeah, look.
We about to die in here, you see? Got the gas going. I don't know, you can't pick it up on camera a little bit, but there's a lot of smoke.
She said she don't want the smoke.
This bitch hasn't been on in over a year.
Longer than that, you said.
Yeah.
Well, she started though. And she got old. She had no old.
Yeah, Dana don't know how to take care of cars, you feel me? We had to put oil in this bitch. I'm pretty sure this gotta go through a whole fluid change. But, you know, we got the bare minimum done right now. We got her running.
Got a new clutch master slave.
Oh no.
Brand new, bro. All we need is terminals, dog.
Yeah, the terminals, we gonna be money. Let this bitch run for a little, make sure she's straight. Cause I know this battery, that battery's dead as hell.
Yeah, you gotta let her run for a while so you can charge it.
Yeah.
You can cut it. Press the top button. Car running, got the car running. Going into first gear, reverse fine. The clutch is not staying to the floor no more like it was before. That was the issue. I just found out the pedal will stay to the floor. Slave cylinder, clutch master says that I changed it both and I bled it. We did it together. We did everything together, me and my cousin. Now the car is fine, out of the garage, and it's running on its own power. So yeah, you guys looking for TLs for sale? Hit me up. Hit me up in the DMs, ADONIS_driven, or you can hit me up on the comments or whatever. But yeah, let me know. I got the Mazda over here staying sexy. That's for sale too. Let me know. Anyone want to buy my RX8? Let me know. It's for sale as well. Hit me up. Yeah, man. Positivity, energy, man. Anything is possible as long as you put your mind to it. We can do anything, man. I just proved it again today, and I proved my cousin as well. Anything is definitely possible, man. Stay positive, stay motivated.